All right, Compass Brewing Company construction update number 12, I believe. Recent things done, as you can see here. You got 1, 2, and 3 lights that were recently installed on the property for lighting at night. There'll also be some lighting on the building itself, but those are for the outside perimeter. And also, as you can see, we finally got the roll-ups put in, so that's great. If we go inside real quick, I'll show you the inside view of the roll downs. They turned out beautiful. There's the inside view right there. What we'll be seeing when we're in here brewing, looking out onto the street. And then also, we had the fence that will hide the dumpster, etc., cars or whatnot we do back there. That also got completed as well. We keep walking this way on the sidewalk. As you can see, all paneled up right there and there. I'll hide all the stuff in the back, anything that doesn't need to be seen or is unsightly. Once again, let me show you these beautiful roll downs. Turned out amazing. Starting to look more and more like it should. Until next time.